You've paid your premiums on time every month for years. Maybe you've known your local insurance agent for 2 decades. You exchange holiday cars, you see them at the high school football games, but then the unthinkable happens. A pipe bursts and the guts your commercial warehouse. A devastating fire tears through your family home. You file a claim expecting a lifeline. Instead, you get a lowball offer, a massive delay, or an outright denial. Suddenly, that good neighbor feels like a stranger. Here is the hard truth your insurance company is banking on you not knowing. They are not in the business of making you whole. They are in the business of making a profit. Today, we pull back the curtain on the corporate playbook they use to underpay your claim and exactly how you can fight back to get every single penny you paid for. Let's clear something up right away. Your local agent, great person. But when a catastrophic loss hits your Northwest Indiana business or home, your agent isn't the one writing the check. The corporate claims department is. And corporate insurance companies love to spend money. Just look at the stadiums they put their names on, or the NASCAR races and NFL games they sponsor. Those multi-million dollar marketing budgets aren't funded by magic. They are funded by the profits made on claims just like yours, claims where they paid out less than what the policyholder was actually owed. The goal of any property insurance claim is simple: to get you back to your pre-loss condition. No better, but absolutely no worse. You paid a premium for a specific bargain. If your business infrastructure or your home was worth a certain amount before the fire or storm, that is exactly what it should cost to rebuild it. But the insurance company's first response, it's almost never their best response. It's a baseline, an opening offer that frequently leaves out major hidden damage. Insurance companies have spent millions studying human psychology and data. They know that when you are dealing with a property loss, you are stressed, exhausted, and desperate to get your business open or your family back under a safe roof. Because of that, they rely on classic three-part corporate strategy: deny, delay, and defend. They will find a loophole, a vague clause in your 100-page policy to claim the damage isn't covered. They hope you'll take their word for it and walk away. That's the deny. Now to the delay. They will request the same documents 3 times. They'll change your claims adjuster midway through the process. They'll slow down the payment process because they know not everyone has the stamina to fight. That is the delay. And the third is defend. If you push back, they their heels in. They force you through an agonizing bureaucratic process, banking on the fact that you'll eventually get tired and accept a fraction of what you deserve just to make the nightmare end. If you take a pool of 100 people who suffer a loss, a huge percentage will accept a lowball offer or an unfair denial simply because they don't have the time or energy to dig through the policy language. The insurance company is literally gambling on your exhaustion. Now, I hear this all the time from business owners and homeowners in Northwest Indiana. I don't want to push back too hard. Well, I don't want to hire a lawyer because I'm afraid they'll drop my coverage or make my premiums go up. All my premiums will skyrocket. I won't be able to get insurance. But let's dismantle that myth right now. Insurance companies are going to do what insurance companies want to do. Premium rates are largely determined by macro level factors: regional weather patterns, inflation, construction costs, and zip code risk pools. If a massive storm rips through Lake or Porter County, rates are likely adjusting across the board anyway. By taking a subpar settlement out of fear, You aren't protecting yourself from a future premium hike. You are just choosing to lose money today and potentially pay more money tomorrow. You paid for a contract, demanding the full benefit of that contract isn't rocking the boat. It's holding a multi-billion-dollar corporation to their promise. So, how do you make sure you end up in the group of people who get paid in full? Here is your actionable checklist. Number one, file promptly. Do not wait. Call in the claim immediately, whether it's a small commercial storm loss or a total residential fire loss. Number two, document everything. Take your own photos, keep a log of every phone call, and get every promise from your adjuster in writing. Number three, don't confuse first with final. They both start with F, but they're not the same thing. Treat their initial assessment as a rough draft. Number four, get an independent advocate. When the insurance company brings in their own engineers and adjusters, remember who signs their paychecks. You need professionals on your side who know how to read the fine print of a policy. If you feel like you are being taken for a ride, if the delays are mounting, or if the math just doesn't add up to your pre-loss condition, you don't have to fight them alone. At our firm, we focus on holding insurance companies accountable for first-party property damage claims right here in Northwest Indiana. We know their playbook. Why? Because we've worked for the insurance company in the past. We know how they compute their numbers, and we know how to force them to pay what you are legally owed. Don't let them profit off your exhaustion. Click the link below. Give us a call today for a free consultation. Let's get your property and your life back to exactly where it belongs. I am Guy DiMartino, and we are Ashford, DiMartino, and Jones, and we will fight that insurance company for you. Have a great day.